Ay, umutot. Ay, siya. Ay, nakikitawa din. Hindi na. Ay, siya. Bakit? Ano ba yan? Tawa, iyak. Ay, siya. Ay, siya. Ay, bakit? Alaway. Ay, ya. Tama na, uy. Anong ginagawa mo, anak? Ay, ay, ay. Oo, masipa mo, masipa. Oh, enough. Ay, siya. Ay, siya. Tama na, enough. Gapang na. Wala, gagapang na ading mo. Ano ba ba? Shh, wag magulo, anak. Gagapang ading. Hello. Gapang na ikaw, nak. Upo, slowly. Oh, careful, ah. Ayun, sige, you can do it. Yay! Ala! Ito, baby book. Kunin mo dali. Oh. Laway. Wow, go. Very good. Wow. Oh, kunin mo dali. Very good ang anak ko. Go. Oh, you can do it. You can. Laway. As dali. It's okay. Kunin mo na dali. Wow, baby book. Sige na, kunin mo dali. Oh, it's okay. No, anak, wait. No, don't give. Don't give to Ading. Let Ading get it. Ay, wag malayo. He cannot get. Kawawa. He cannot get if it's too far. Please. Okay. Just put it here, please. Just a little bit far. Okay, it's okay. Oh, enough? Okay. You can do it, anak. Get it. Anak, no, please. Lo. Get it. Stop. Just put it there. No. Stop. You can do it. Alala, makukuha na niya. A little bit far. Don't give too near. Para gagapang siya. Stop na lang dyan. Oh. Kunin mo na, nak. Yan. Very good. Oh, ito, oh. This is the egg. And the duck. And carrot. Kunin mo na, nak. Huwag mo ibigay, anak. Ay, ang kulit. Kamu? Ading is practicing how to crawl. Gapang-gapang siya, oh. Nagpa-practice para he can play with you na. Pag marunong na siya mag-crawl. Don't cry, mommy is here. Sige na. Bakit, anak? Are you tired? Are you tired na? Tired na, baby? Oy, kawawa naman. Oh.